Hey,
Good morning, this is Amit Kabani from Marcus and Millichev's Kabani Hotel Group. I am thrilled to tell you that in next 2 weeks, we will be meeting for our seventh annual Hotel Investment Forum to be held on the 19th of October, Thursday 19th of October at Miami Airport Hilton in Miami, Florida. This is our seventh. We have been doing it since 2016. And this year, it's very different purpose in which this forum is organized. What is going on right now are some of the challenges in the market in this year, going to the next year. And I think challenges are very, very focused on the current economic, condition, as you see. What scares everybody else? Okay, what is going to happen in 2024? Having said this, the hotel has a straight P&L. Why? Because the labor cost gone up, the staffing is an issue, interest has gone up, the debt is more expensive. So these are the challenging issues, and on top of that, the insurance has gone up highly in this market, and those kind of factors gives a stress on our P&L. Now, how to resolve these things? I think answer is lead with purpose. We need to understand the market realities and then get the leading experts talking about. We have a technology revelations. Recently, this whole year, we're talking about artificial intelligence, AI. How is it going to affect the hotels? How can the hotel owner take benefit of that? What kind of other technology, robotics, 3D printing, so many other technology things that we need to use in order to make our life easier. Renovation, the brands are there, all the brands that you see that will be at the forum, and they will be able to answer, and they are willing to help to see how we can pass this turbulent time in this economy. Renovation and the big cost is high. We have a management company in this forum. They will tell us, what are their challenges dealing with the management in this issue with all this going high. Now everybody's talking about distressed property. Distressed properties will come. There's a lot of CMBS loan due. What is more important for us to understand how we can bring ourselves knowledgeable. We should be able to hear and make a good decision in going to 2024. And that's the chance. And that's why we brought, which we bring every year. This year, I'm so thrilled to announce that on our seventh annual, I have a good panel, the panel that you will be happy to connect, and they're going to give it. I have from Driftwood Capital, we have Carlos Rodriguez. Driftwood is a big name in our industry. They have been very, very aggressive, but at the same time, very careful, and their advice will help us, as he always does. I have invited Rajiv Trivedi. He's a managing principal at TST Capital. Everybody knows Rajiv. He has been well known in our industry. Worked tirelessly with La Quinta and many other things that he has done. So his expert opinion will help us. Our own John Cheng, research expert, research director, senior national director for Marcus Militia, his viewpoint on current economy relating to hospitality, we will be there, will present his perspective. Having said that, since 2016, John has been giving John Lanson for HVS giving us the Florida outlook, what transactions are happening, and he will give us a perspective on what is going on. This year, I have pleasure to introduce Frank McFadden is a director with Hilton, and he, along with Rob Manitic, he's a regional vice president of Choice Hotels. They both will be in the panel coming up to figure out. As usual, we always see Peachtree, who will always be our friend and gives us a good guidance. I'm pleased to introduce the Brian Waldman, Chief Investment Officer for Peachtree. He will also be there in a panel discussion. Now, having the staffing problem, what meaning of new talent? Florida International University is essentially creating the new talent in the industry, and I have invited young students to come to this forum, along with our assistant teaching professor and special liaison and real estate advisory council at Florida International University, Dr. Clay Dickinson. He will be there to give his perspective. For management side, Jeff Coswell is a well-known name, industry. GF Hotels and Resorts, they manage a lot of hotels. He will give us what are the challenging right now to figure out, With this, our National Director, Biren Patel, and our Southeast Regional Manager, Ryan Nee, will be there. And this year, I always started with Vinay Rama as our first time moderator of the forum. I'm pleased to say he's able to come and moderate Mandala Holding he's going to be our forum moderator. Now, having said this, why should you attend? Simply, that this year you need to understand that networking is important. So all the brands that I have invited, there will be a trade show in the morning starting from 10 to 11:30. Forum starts at 11:45, will finish by 2:30. It will be a nice early outlook, economy, Florida, hospitality, and then the panel. It's a luncheon event. We would like you to look at these things, bring your friends, and who are in the hotel industry, investor, hotel owners, management, franchise brands. We all wanted to get together and have networking and exchange of opinion. We look forward to see you. This is our 7th annual, and I would look to see you at the forum on 19th of October, Thursday, at Miami Airport Hilton. Thank you so much.